National Water Safety Month is an annual awareness campaign, and with the hot weather, kids are looking to cool off. Lots of people are traveling to Florida too. We were just talking about this, but why is this such an important issue to hit just as the summer travel season kicks up?
Absolutely. So many families have been planning the whole time for the summer vacation. They want to come here. The weather's great. We have all this water, pools, short-term rentals where you can have your own pool for vacation. And the question is, are they ready for that, knowing what the dangers might be?
Right. And what are some of the biggest dangers that people who are traveling to the area that they should be looking out for?
You know, what we've seen so many times is a family will come down from the Midwest or the Northeast, and they've never really had a pool.
Right.
So that first night at that short-term rental, they don't know, does that pool have a fence? What's going on with the doors? Does it have a lock? And their kids roam about the house, and unfortunately, they gain access to an unsecured pool, and then you have the ultimate tragedy.
And you just mentioned vacation rentals like Airbnbs, that kind of thing. What kind of safety concerns are they posing, if you can go into that a little bit further?
It's a huge issue. One of the #1 causes of drowning in Florida, and actually drowning is the leading cause of accidental death for kids in Florida. And Airbnbs have no restrictions. VRBOs have no restrictions, whereas hotels and apartments, which are commercial pools, have to have a fence. They have to have self-closing and self-latching gates. In short-term rentals, there's no requirement. And that is a huge problem because they are a commercial pool and they need to be regulated much more so, or we're going to continue to have these drownings.
I mean, when we're talking about vacation rentals, we're just talking about private homes that people are, offering as a rental. So a lot of these families are not thinking about the safety concerns that could come with it.
Yeah, and once you get into the business of I'm going to rent my home, you now are in a commercial enterprise. And those families coming down think, well, it's going to be fine. It's somebody's home.
Right. So with that being said, what are some of the biggest things that families should look out for when they do enter a rental home for the first time?
You know, obviously they're looking at all the specs on the internet and looking at what home they want. You really need to find out, does it have a pool fence? Does it have a proper pool fence that when the kids are going about, they're not going to get in the pool? What are the locks and the alarms on every door that goes to that pool? Is it secure so that when you're doing other things and you're cooking, you're doing all that, the kids aren't getting through that sliding glass door? Those will be the two major things to make sure that pool is secure during your dream vacation.
Absolutely, and we want to keep it as a dream vacation and keep everybody safe and happy and healthy for the holiday weekend as well. So thank you so much, Michael, for being with us and talking about this important issue during a timely manner. So thank you for being here. If you want to learn more information about this, you can actually head to our website at WPBF.com. You can also download our free app for more on this.